Hey everybody, back out with the Firebox stove. We're doing a take two on the hot dogs. So I had it just down to coals. You can see through there is just a bunch of coals, but it wasn't really cooking too much, so I had to add a stick through the front. That's the nice thing about this stove. You just if you don't have enough fuel, you just look around and find some sticks to go with our hot dogs that hopefully don't turn to charcoal dogs this time. Have our beanie weenies. I like them. If you don't like them, I'm sure you'll tell me about it. That's okay. Not everybody likes the same thing. I kind of just realized I'm having hot dogs with beans and hot dogs. But whatever, they taste different. So, sorry about the shaky video. I still don't have a tripod that can hold my camera or a camera that works with the computer or anything like that because my computer's dead. So, and as always, I got my old pop. Oh, I don't know if it's old, but fancy pop maybe. I had somebody ask me in my last video that what in the hell is pop? If you watch my channel, you're gonna hear a lot of weird stuff probably because I am from Pittsburgh and we have our own. Almost lost them. We have our own language. Pop is soda pop. Pittsburgh people were lazy. We shortened it to just pop. So that's what I call it, pop. I'm Pittsburgh. Go Steelers, I guess, huh? I don't know if they're even playing. Not the biggest football fan. But I'll get these cooking up. I'll bring you back and we'll go from there. Oh, also thank you for clicking on my video. If you like my videos and you could, give me a thumbs up. And then subscribe. I don't know how to put it, so it's down there under the video where it says subscribe. So I'll bring you back. It's one of the reasons I really like these Firebox stoves. As coals are running out, so I just put 2 sticks in. That way I can finish cooking my hot dogs. They're not burnt to a crisp this time because I had coals, not just flame. Flame's kind of kicking up. I'll bring you back. The neighbor's probably coming past on a quad, so they're nebby. Also a Pittsburgh thing. Sorry if you don't know what that means, but they're nebby, so get back to you later. Well, we're going with mustard. If I'm having beanie weenies, that'll be my ketchup type hot dog. So just some mustard today. Sometimes I like to just mustard, relish, ketchup, onion, chili. Anything on a hot dog's good. So, I'm gonna flip you around here. Hopefully it's not too close up. Oh, hot dogs. Nice and juicy. Not burned to a crisp this time, so they are really good. I know I said the last ones are good, but these ones are awesome. The wood I started with was hickory. I have a lot of cherry trees that are dead, so I've been splitting them. I got a whole bunch of chunks of cherry here, so I put some of that in. It's a really good hot dog. I gotta remember that. So I'm gonna flip you around again, don't get seasick. Sorry about the wind too. As you can see, it's pretty windy. But I was wondering, does anybody want me to try and cook anything different on here, specific things? Like if you have an idea, maybe send it to me. I'll see if I can make it. So we're gonna get the beanie weenies started here in a minute. Start warming them up. So See, where's my other one? I try to keep 2 burnt fire sticks, I call them, and 2 clean ones. So for my cup, I want to put it down into the fire to cook the beanie weenies. I don't want it all the way up here. I guess I could, yeah, we'll put it all the way up here. We'll put it up top. That way they don't just scorch to the bottom of the cup. I don't know if you can see them or not. There was a mole. Started over here, went running, and oh no, I gotta clean that up. At least it was just a mole, not a rat or something. So, oh well, he's outside anyways. So, beanie weenies. Hold on, I got some stuff in my cup here. Using my Pathfinder cup. I like their stuff. I usually try to at least support something that I can know it's helping somebody, not some rich person. But that's one reason I like the Firebox stove. Steve at least shows videos, shows you how to work stuff. And or at least know who it's helping. But no, I like small brands. If I end up getting big, I'll still like them. I'm not like that, but I'll bring it back. I'm having a heck of a time trying to open my beanie weenies with just one hand, so I'll bring it back. So the beanie weenies are on. They're in there, get warmed up. I actually like them cold too. But if you like them cold too, leave them in the comments. Let me know if I'm weird or whatever. You won't hurt my feelings if you tell me I'm weird. I'm weird. I already know that. Wow, that's hot. So there they are. I'm gonna eat my other hot dog when these are done. I'll bring it back. Well, beanie weenies are finished. Not like I really gotta do nothing, just heat them up. I will usually put some black pepper in them, but yes, I am that lazy. I don't want to walk back in the house and go get it. But I always get asked by my friends and stuff. Oh, wait, little mole's moving again. Let's see if I can get him. Maybe he wants some beanie weenies. So, somebody's getting a weenie. And then no 5-second rule, wet stuff for me. I don't care. But anyways, like I was saying, hold on a second. I'm gonna spin you around so it's not the talking pot. But I always get asked by my friends, even my mom and dad, my family, my brother, you have a grill, why do you bring this thing out and use this? Well, first off, I like the taste of fire, like cooking over an open fire. And I just like it because it helps me relax. Like today, work wasn't bad. Yeah. You know, it wasn't good, wasn't bad. Work was just meh. Then 1 week from tomorrow is my brother's wedding, and everybody's stressed about that. So why would I cook something in 5 minutes, hurry up and eat it, when it doesn't taste as good to me, when I come out here, get my little firebox out, start a fire, and relax. You know, I like fires, I like cooking, I like cooking on fire, so it's just relaxing to me. So instead of just, oh, let me make a thing 5 seconds in the house, and the smoke switched on me. I can come out here and relax and still cook dinner. And then whenever I do go camping and stuff, I know exactly what I'm doing. There's no, I burn it, you know, like the hot dogs. Great today, last time not so much. They tasted good, but they're very crunchy. But excuse me. Cheers. Yeah. If you like these videos, let me know. I know I watch other people's cooking videos on their Firebox stoves or whatever they're cooking on. So I figure I'd make some. Maybe I can teach somebody something, or somebody will get an idea from my video. You know, one thing that I do make in the wintertime all the time is baked apples on my Firebox, because I'll be working outside and that's something, it's sweet and tasty and warms you up. So I think it's about time for that. It's not cold, but it's fall, so baked apples are in the future. So the next video will probably be baked apples. So like I said, if you like my videos, like this one, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you could. It's free. And yeah, spin you around here. Sorry. I like the big Firebox. I also like my Nano. I still haven't found it. I'm thinking about ordering one. If you're gonna order a Firebox stove, they usually do decent deals on Black Friday. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a Christmas present for anybody too that is like me and likes to be outside. Also, I have a question. Kind of a weird one. If you're a girl, this is a question for the ladies out there if I have any watching my channel. Would it be weird if a guy took you on a date, planned a picnic, instead of having sandwiches or stuff, pulled one of these out and cooked lunch for you? I don't know if it's weird. I don't think it is, but I'm not a girl. So ladies, if you're watching this, let me know. I'm not the best with that kind of stuff. So, some more beanie weenies here. And then, sorry, I had a finger in there. But, smoke is in my eyes. There we go. I'll cut back on smoke a bit. But, thanks for watching my videos. Sorry if I rambled in this one. I have a tendency of doing that. But, sorry, there's a spider over here. He's kind of cool looking. I don't know if you can see him if I zoom in. Nope. I don't even see him not zoomed in anymore. He's like right here. This blob next to my finger. But, ooh. If you could. Thanks for watching. Share my videos if you could. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. The end.